Wow. Doesn't work. I'm stuck. Somebody help me.
1, 2, 3.
It's been a long time. It's been 2 weeks, 3 weeks. What is going on, guys? If you're new, welcome to Natural Favor C. I realized that I haven't introduced myself formally. My name is Favor, and I call myself Natural Favor C. First, because I am natural, and my name is Favor, and my middle name and the initial for my middle name is C. So that is why I am called Natural Favor C. Okay, don't mind the breakout on my face. You guys, you have to let me know what to do because I am literally like getting frustrated. My face used to look so good, but now I don't know, guys, it's really bad. It's not bad, but I don't like it. Okay, well, if you're new, welcome to Natural Favor C, and if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you too. I have taken a break from YouTube for almost 3 weeks, and I'm like, it's time for me to get back. You know, it's time for me to head back into the YouTube zone, and I will make a video talking about my break and you know, all those things like why did I go on a break and my YouTube journey and the breaks that I've taken in between, because we know that breaks are always good. So without further ado, let us go into what we're gonna have today. So today, you will tell by the title, I am doing kind of a get ready with me wig edition. So if you know me, I am always like, you haven't seen me put on a wig. I think I made a video on Instagram, and like I was trying a wig. I wasn't trying it, I've tried it before, so it wasn't really like a new thing. But I don't usually wear wigs. Like I don't even wear it out. So it's something I just try in my house. You know, there's so many wigs, but I bought this wig from Wish, and I'm trying to find the picture. Okay, so I bought this wig from Wish, and I know, right? Like, tell me, does any of you do any of you buy wigs from Wish? Because I bought mine for the first time by myself. Usually I don't buy myself. Like I always make somebody buy them for me. But I bought this wig for $10.45. Now I want to see if it's worth it. I actually looked at it, and let me show you. So it came in this bag. As you can see, I ripped it open because I was too impatient. So also it's wrapped in like a net kind of thing. So first of all, the parting was white. I don't know why that was, but then because like I am not in any way, shape, or form white like a paper towel. So I used makeup that I have. So I used this dark makeup because I wanted it to, you know, look kind of, you know, realistic, right? So I used this dark makeup. It's not still my color though. You know, I don't know this makeup thing, so I just kind of mixed what I had. Okay, so, and I also used this light foundation also. Now that I think about it, it's such a horrible blend, but I mean it still makes it my color, kind of, and I don't know. So what I kind of did is that I don't have any like makeup stuff, So I found this from a used lip gloss tube, and then I kind of put the the foundation, or the what's it called? Yeah, the two foundations. I put them like on the sides of this thing. Then I just put it on top, and then it was getting so light, like it was getting, so I kind of like shimmered it a little bit, like I like scrubbed it a little bit so it would be like better. So here is the end result that I did. I did that yesterday because I just, you know, I'm just like not ready to, what am I even saying? Whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the wig, but you can see, look at how long it is though. It is so long. Like, I would have preferred a shorter one, but I really like the way they showed it. I'm gonna put a picture up. It was so beautiful on the model, and I really hope it comes out good for me, because I will have to shoot them. Okay, so here is the inside, and okay, let us see. Doom, doom, doom. Oh, also I forgot to talk about my cornrows, and so I made this yesterday, and if you don't know how to cornrow, that is fine, because I have a video showing you how to cornrow. And if that doesn't work for you, please DM me for like more clarification at Natural Favorite C, or you can also search up other cornrow tutorials. Okay. I'll also link the video for the cornrow up here somewhere. Okay, let's do this. I'm just gonna pull this back. So I'm kind of like putting in the back of my cornrow also with it. Okay, it's even tight, it doesn't stretch. Weird, and the band is too short. Okay, I don't know if it's just my head or that these people didn't get the measurements right. It is so tight. Yeah. Wow, I look weird. I really look weird. Okay. So as you can see, this is not going well. Alright, I'm gonna like find a way to style it and make it mine, you know, take ownership of it. Okay, and it sheds too, guys. Was this a waste of my $10? Tell me, please. Okay, how does this look? In a kind of way I like it, but at the same time though, like, it's a good wig, but it doesn't fit my face, it doesn't match my face. What I say? one thing I've been trying to try is lace wigs. Doesn't work. I'm stuck. Somebody help me. Okay, I know what to do. I'm just gonna pack it back. Okay, so I'm gonna put the name of the wig so that you know not to buy it. If you like it, then no problem. I can put in the link in the description below, and you can go like look at it well and actually know if you want it or not. Okay, one thing I like about it is that it's the length, and that's about it. Like, I like the color too, but it sheds. Number one, it's tight on my hair, and like, if I actually put everything like from top to bottom, like cover my whole head, it like blood flow would literally stop. So yeah, just okay, I would recommend it to people that have smaller head than me. I should say that, because and if you like know how to like, you know, like remove some hair from here and, you know, like make it look realistic and all those things, yeah, you go. Because like, if you're a wig expert, or like you're like, you know, so and so with wigs, then I say you go and get it and, you know, do what you want. But if you're like me, then don't. Okay, I think that is all for this video, and I really am feeling this style better than just leaving it down. Usually that is kind of my style. I don't leave my hair down usually, so I usually pack it up and all those things. So I'm just gonna manage this one, and you might never see me outside with it. I will take pictures, but I will not wear it outside, because number one, I think natural hair is better for me, my opinion. And then secondly, I don't want anybody to pull out my hair. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching once again, and I'm so happy to be back. I also want to thank all those people that gave me some video suggestions to do, and yeah, and this was actually one that I had planned before, and I'm just really grateful for my time off, and you will learn more about it in my other video that will be coming soon. So yeah, have a good day, guys, and God bless you, and stay safe, and yep, bye.
I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we